Hey everyone, so I've got the 1 liter barrel behind me. We've got it ready to go. We're going to start pouring the local honey inside of it. This barrel has been used 2 batches before, aging some bourbon. So the intention here is we're going to take this barrel, we're going to put honey in it for 2 to 3 weeks. The honey's going to shrink that barrel, and then what we have to worry about there is possibly the warpage of it. So we're going to watch this thing, keep you updated on it. All right, we're ready to go. Got the barrel there. So with that hole being so small, I'm gonna have to use one of these small funnels that I've got for some of those sample bottles. We're gonna crack this honey open, and this is going to be painstakingly slow. I'm actually gonna try to do it without the funnel. And that's a mess. Do not do this. Find a better way. We are going to look at a better way of doing this. Give me 1 second. Just like that, we're gonna grab a turkey baster. So what I'm going to invest in for the next time we do this is a funnel that will solely be dedicated to just doing this. All right, completely filled with honey. We've got it in a paint pan to attempt to make sure we don't have any spillage, leakage, or if we do, we have it in a containment area where we can clean it up. Just gonna put the cork in there, a little bit of honey seeping out, keeping this thing nice and clean so that we can get an idea of how much actually starts weeping through these different pieces of wood. And we're going to give this thing about 2 weeks. We'll check on it then, and I will update you guys.